Hey, buongiorno. Welcome to Vito's Italian Cucina again. Hey, today is another great day for another great recipe. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I don't see anything on there about cheese bread. I love cheese bread. Garlic cheesy cheese bread. And I got some ingredients here, and we're going to take you around. But first, I'm going to show you the loaf of bread that I decided to use. Come on in. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? It's beautiful. So I already cut it. Look at that. Wow. And there's your bread. You see it? But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put it in on 375 and let her toast up. Look at that. Can you see that? Madelon. Load it up. Leave your oven on and close the door. Let me get it closer. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. That's what we wanted. We wanted it to be nice and brown and some edges. Like you said, this is a two-step process with this cheesy garlic bread. And you want to do it the two-step process because this is the way we do it, This is for the best results. Let's do this one too. You can stay with me on this, right? Put the mozzarella down. Generous. Spread it out, but be generous, okay? Cheesy garlic bread here at Vito's Italian Cucina. Okay. Well, then now I take my Romano. Come on in, we're gonna do that too. And I just freshly grated this morning, and I put this on top. Parsley, look at that parsley. Okay. Then we go ahead and sprinkle the parsley. Look at that. Oh my God! I want to take a bite right now. Can you see that? Oh, isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my God, look at that. Oh Lord, look at that. Oh, those pieces look great, don't they, folks? Oh my goodness. There we go. And one. Oh, cheesy garlic bread, Eric. Oh, I gotta take another bite. Oh, excuse me.